AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is AMC Entertainment holding stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief and short 1-minute video. So just to say, AMC has been interesting because it still came down into my demand zone, of course, and I wanted to see a double break, and it was just kind of got weird again. Again, not something that I wanted to be a part of, but other than that, like if I start seeing some shifts, corrections lower and then a double break, then I'm all ears. You know, you can see I'm quite precise with what I want to take. I mean, it's just all comes down to me previously testing this strategy for 45,000 videos. You know, it's just you pop up on the chart, you take trades, you collect the data, and then you refine the data. And I've been doing that for 5 years, man, like 45,000 videos. And most importantly, I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. So, I mean, I've simplified it the most simple it can be, because simple scales, fancy fails, and unless it actually pulls down gives rules, then I'm not buying. Like, you can see how clear it was here. That's what I'm aiming for. Now, it can be unclear and just, you know, cluttered, but rules still must be met, period. Let me know what is your opinion. I have a bunch of receipts here with AMC in the Discord. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce daily, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.